Okay, so this is we're talking about Bionano Genomics BNGO. They have a new update on their Saphyr. So this is BNGO now. It's just about close Friday, January 29 at 11:06, 5% above. I'm gonna get to the price action on my 10K challenge video, but let's just get into this new update. So okay, so they have a new update today at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is regarding leukemia, and this is by Dr. Gordana Rasa from Children's Hospital. LA presents findings that show Saphyr detects druggable gene fusions in the pediatric acute leukemias that NGS and Cytogenetics missed. Okay, so this is big. So it says BNGO announced a presentation by the director of the clinical cytogenetics laboratory of Children's Hospital LA, Dr. Gordana Rasa, in which she reported on the performance of optical OGM for the clinical analysis of pediatric acute leukemia. She demonstrated how OGM with Saphyr detected clinically important SVs that can alter patient care and or treatment decisions. These SVs were not detected when the samples were evaluated with a combination of next-generation sequencing and 3 cytogenetic method that are the standard of care in leukemia testing today, which she concluded that OGM would be advantageous in clinical testing because it detects all types of SV, but with better precision, higher resolution, and better sensitivity than traditional methods, including NGS. Okay, leukemia accounts for more than a quarter of cancer cases in children and remains the second leading cause of cancer death. Karyotyping and fluorescent in situ hybridization do not efficiently detect genetic subtypes, so Children's Hospital's LA currently combines 4 different methods to characterize their patients' leukemia genomes: karyotyping, extensive FISH panels, chromosomal microarray, and custom-designed NGS gene panel for pediatric cancers called OncoKid. Still, 15% of pediatric acute lymphoblastic leukemia cases show no main genetic driver after those 4 tests. The study analyzed 1 acute myeloid leukemia case and 8 all, so that's acute lymphoblastic leukemia cases, which had normal karyotyping and testing negative for commonly known genetic drivers by the standard of care in leukemia testing. Among Dr. Rasa's findings was the Saphyr detected gene fusions that aided in patients' stratification of prognosis, including 1 gene fusion that can be treated with drugs such as Gleevec. The gene fusions were missed by the traditional techniques because they either had not been reported in pediatric cancer before and were therefore not part of the OncoKid NGS panel, or because they were simply undetectable by the standard methods. In 7 out of 8 cases, OGM detected SVs that CHLA's 4 separate analysis methods missed. OGM was also able to identify the exact copy number, location, and orientation of a repeat in the PAX5 gene that defines a novel all subtype, which other methods were unable to do. So it says, Eric Coleman, PhD CEO of BNGO, commented, CHLA is one of the top 5 pediatric cancer hospital in the nation and a pioneer in the use of novel diagnostic and therapeutic tools. Dr. Rasa's results with Saphyr demonstrates the importance of comprehensive genome-wide detection and SVs in pediatric cancers. something no gene panel or current cytogenetic method can currently provide, which can leave many children without inaccurate diagnostics and without optimal clinical care. We believe that as pediatric centers around the world adopt Saphyr for research and develop assays for clinical use, Saphyr will continue to transform cytogenetic testings with a single assay that can provide more actionable results faster. So this is really good news. So pretty much Saphyr's OGM on its own found SVs that 4 separate methods of previous way of doing it could not find. And this is really big news because this leukemia, if you don't know what it is, leukemia is a cancer of body's blood-forming tissue, including the bone marrow and the lymphatic system. Many types of leukemia exist. Some forms of leukemia are more commonly in children. Other forms of leukemia occur mostly in adults. Leukemia usually involves the white blood cell. So you have the red blood cell and the white blood cell. So is it deadly? But then you find out here that eventually a person will start to lack RBC, that's red blood cell, that carry oxygen, platelet, that prevents easy bleeding, and white blood cell that protects the body from diseases. That's because their body is too busy making the leukemia blast cells. The results can be deadly. However, many people, AML is treatable disease. So this is really good for BNGO. This is one more area of science where they're able to help with their Saphyr system. Just want to reiterate, Saphyr is cheaper, it's faster in diagnostic, and it's more accurate than anything out in the market. So that's why I'm very bullish on this company. I own about 1,500 shares. So if this was helpful, please let me know. And I think just end it here. All right. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.